Hi, let me first say welcome to the Fleet Feet Running Club. My name is Brandy Barbary. I'm a Fleet Feet Running Club manager here in the St. Louis area. Myself and my amazing coaches look forward to helping you, encouraging you, pushing you through this 5K, 10K fast program over the next few weeks. Now, your first workout, is going to be Tuesday, January 19th, 6:30 at the Frontier Park, Lewis and Clark Boathouse parking lot. That is in historical St. Charles, Missouri, of course. Your workout's going to coincide with our 13.1 and 26.2 mile training participants because they, like you, like to push your limits and overcome speed and perhaps for them a little bit more distance barrier. So I can't wait to throw you into the wolves with our already existing group in a specific pace groups. Of course, you'll be just joining on into the fun. Those pace groups will be decided next week, early next week, so you know who to join. Okay? Today's video is more for just to kind of set the scene for the weeks to come. All right, the training schedule for the first 5 weeks training schedule is linked into the email above. I would like for you to look at it, pull it up, and kind of follow along with me. I'm going to do the same. First and foremost, let me just bring you to the attention that our group workouts are going to be twofold. One, Tuesday nights, like we've already referred to, those are going to stay stationary at 6:30. And again, those with our 13.1 and 26.2 training teams. Your other group workout will be Sundays. They start at 7 o'clock at Forest Park's Visitor Center. Those will coincide with our 13.1 and 26.2 fast workouts. The rest of your workouts are on your own. All right, we hope that some of the long, slow, steady distances, the recovery runs, just the time on your feet runs, you can do on your own. If you look at the training schedule, this is a 5-day-a-week training schedule, okay? If you need to knock down a day, please do so, okay? But I would like for you guys to commit to at least 4 days a week. So pick a day, slash it off, commit to the other ones, and go about. If you guys need a little bit of help deciding which day to slash off, please feel free to come see me on Tuesday, and I would happy to help you find which one works best for our schedule, which also fits into yours. Okay, so Tuesday and Sundays, you are joining us so we can push you, right? We're here for speed. We're here for speed endurance, holding a specific speed, over a prolonged period of time. The time on your feet, the easy runs, like I said, are up to you. Now, I will help you, all right? After we get all said and done, after we start getting some of the wheels put back in motion, I'm going to send you a specific table of standard distance that will tell you what your 1 mile pace is, your 2 mile pace is, your 5K, your 10K, half and full, because I'm going to refer to those paces during our workouts. So I might say run 20 minutes at your 5K pace, 20 minutes at your 10K pace, etc. Please use the distance or the time, look at that specific pace, and go about your very little way. All right, the workouts on your own, so those are mostly for Tuesday and Sunday. The workouts on your own can be one of two things. They can also be via pace, and I will also send those out on your table of standard distance. This is your pace, this is your green, your blue, your gray. Now the colors that you are seeing are coming to light. So if I ask you, for an example, to run 25 minutes in green, all right, and 15 minutes in red, you'll know what those pace or pace ranges are. If you are interested in heart rate, which I am a huge heart rate advocate, if you are interested in heart rate, which I personally like specifically for your recovery days, then I will be sending out to you guys next week a heart rate form to fill out. That what I'm going to ask that you give me is your resting heart rate and your age, so I can use what's called a Carvonen formula and give you again via a color code what heart rate range to be in on your green days, your blue, your gray, etc. Okay, so Tuesdays and Saturdays are mostly going to be via pace, and I'm going to find those paces because I'm going to try to project out what your 5K and 10K finish goal time is at the end of this training schedule. Based off that, you're going to either color code your training schedule with that table of standard distance pace that I'm going to give you. Again, what is gray, what is green, what is blue. Or if you're interested in trying heart rate, you're going to fill out that form, and then I am going to give you the same thing. What constitutes your heart rate zone for when a color is green or red or blue. So again, give me a week to kind of start molding everybody in. We've got a couple people starting this week, so I'll get to it as soon as I possibly can. But once it is all said and done, you guys are going to be scripted every step of the way, what different paces that I want you guys to hit, or heart rates, or time, okay? You guys are going to follow that to a 90% accuracy. I only say 90% because I want your life to dictate the other 10%. So taking extra rest days if you need to. If you can hear my voice, I'm a bit under the weather with a cold right now. So I took today off when it's normally a scheduled long run day. All right, that is the best decision I could ever make. And I don't expect anybody to make that up. I don't expect me to make it up. So I say follow the schedule to 90% accuracy, because 10% needs to be those audibles that you call, just like I did on sleeping in a little bit more, getting a little extra rest. So please, please, please come out and join us Tuesday, January 19th at 6:30. All right, I'll be in charge, so come find me so I can point you into the right direction as far as getting your group. That being said, I will contact you prior to then to let you know what pace group that you are in and what paces I want you guys to hit. So if you have not done so already, I'm going to ask that you guys fill out that personal assessment survey so I can better get to know you as a runner. If that personal assessment survey is not completed, I'm going to have to wing it for the first couple of workouts until I can get it. Because again, there's a little bit of math, little algorithms and stuff that goes into projecting that 5K, 10K finish time, so we can then build a training schedule off of that. Now, before I go, there's a few other things that I'd like to bring your attention to. Number one, we do use social media a lot just to encourage, motivate, post some pictures. So please feel free to join the Fleet Feet Running Club Facebook page. The link is onto this email as well. Garmin Connect, if you guys are all Garmin wearers, and I know most of you guys are at this point probably, please join our Garmin Connect group page, because I like to keep a Rolodex of all of my athletes. So if you guys need help looking at different workouts or quite can't understand why this is not going the way you want, I'll have a history of your workout so I can see it, so I can better guide you to solving the problem or trying to find a solution, okay? Last but certainly not least is our rained out text messaging service. When myself and my site leaders are out on Tuesday nights or Sunday mornings, it's really hard for us to find Wi-Fi or connect to an internet to send out emails. So getting text messages is the easiest way to communicate with you when it's early on a Sunday morning and the trail is just unsafe for us, perhaps for its ice or snow or whatever the case may be. Now, our weather policies are we hold every workout unless your safety is in question. In the summertime, what we say is lightning and storms are the only thing that will keep us away. In the wintertime, of course, it's just the conditions of the trails, conditions of the path. We want to hold these workouts, but if the scene becomes unsafe, of course, we'll call it from there. Okay? If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help you. You can email me here at training@fleetfeetstlouis.com, or you can come find me on Tuesday. I'll see you then.